Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and isolating the problem so nothing shorts while you work. Once done, confirm WASD are non-responsive using your system's keyboard viewer to rule out software. Next, remove the 4 keycaps with a puller. You'll need clear access. Then gently press the switch stems. If any feel sticky or dead, that identifies mechanical failure versus firmware. Make sure to gather replacement switches and a soldering iron if your keyboard is soldered. Otherwise, prepare to desolder carefully. You now tackle the core repair. Replace the bad switches. If the board is hot swap, simply pull the old switch out and push the new one in. Ensure pins are straight. If soldered, desolder both pins, extract the switch, and insert the replacement with correct orientation. Once seated, solder clean joints or press firmly on a hot swap socket until it clicks. After each swap, test the physical travel and sound. This confirms the electrical contact before you proceed to software checks. You finish by replacing the caps, reconnecting, and testing WASD in both the OS keyboard viewer and your target application. If problems persist, flash or reset the keyboard firmware and verify the key map. Sometimes a corrupted macro layer blocks those keys. Also reflow any dull solder joints you saw earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single column of keys fails, test on another computer or swap the USB cable. This isolates whether the fault is the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.